Aloha or Yorana. These are greetings in Hawaiian and Tahitian, which are both Polynesian cultures. These originate from the island of Hawaii and the island of Tahiti, which are both Polynesian islands. This is a lei. You've probably seen this if you've gone to Hawaii, or maybe you saw it being given to someone at a graduation, a wedding, or another special event. This is one example of an object or a symbol that represents the Polynesian culture, and it has significant meaning behind it, which can help you understand more behind the Polynesian culture. This is important because by understanding a few objects or symbols, you can better understand the culture as a whole. This can be seen in our religion as well. If you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, you have things like temples, you have the Book of Mormon, you have a CTR ring. These are all symbols or things that help represent us, help us share the meaning of what our religion actually is. In the Polynesian culture, that's the exact same thing. For me, this is important because I'm Polynesian, and helping others understand maybe the objects that they see that they're not sure what they mean, but have a deep significance to my culture is important, because to understand those objects, you can better understand the people. Today, I'll be talking about 3 different objects or symbols: a conch shell, a lei, and a pearl. We'll start with this conch shell. These are Hawaiian, and these are really cool because they have a hole that you can blow in and it makes noise. Today, they're used in sacred rituals or as a way to end things. So maybe a funeral, or a way to end an event, or a way to say mahalos, which also means thank you. In the olden days, they were used as a form of communication for those on the water to those on land. If you blew it, you could tell the people that you're approaching their island in a canoe. If they blew back a certain way, it would tell you whether you were allowed to approach the island or whether you were not. But today, it's used in mostly sacred ceremonies that aren't even written about because they're so sacred. Then, the pearl. These are Tahitian pearls, or they're also known as black pearls. These were founded in the 1900s, but became widely popular in 1976. The biggest thing about them is the meaning behind them. They mean if you have one of these, that you have prosperity, you have health. It means all these good things are surrounding you. And they're a good representation of the Tahitian culture. My grandma is Tahitian, and although we don't have real ones, we have many fake ones everywhere because a lot of the real ones are protected by the Tahitian government, so they can't come here. Lastly, we have a lei, which we talked a little bit about earlier. These leis are a way for people to give their mana or their spirit to another person. A lot of times, real flower leis are handcrafted and take hours to make. They're beautiful, yes, but the meaning behind them is bigger. You'll see leis like this one, or you'll see kukui nut leis or tea leaf leis, or even money leis and candy leis in the modern day. They all mean something because you're taking time to make something for someone and you're giving it to them as a way to give your love, show your appreciation, show your congratulations. They are really significant, and if you get one, just know that the person giving it to you really loves you. With all these objects, or I guess the 3 I've talked about, the Polynesian culture is deep. It's deeper than just a culture. It's deeper than the dances you've seen. It's probably deeper than the songs you've even heard. But through understanding even just these 3 objects, you can have a little light onto what the Polynesian culture is all about, which the biggest thing is love and giving. I know that if you understand these better, you can understand me and my people better by understanding what we value. These 3 symbols are important, maybe not to everyone, but they're important in my culture. And by understanding them, you are better able to understand the Polynesian people as a whole.